Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Welcome to KS Academy. My name is Abdullah, and in this module we will be learning how to make an interactive table. This table will be helpful for making a quotation for a company. And finally, after watching this video, your table will look like this. So I will just open Microsoft Excel. So this table will be a quotation type table. So we can use this table in quotation. So here we have date, for example, and here we have purchaser in this column, and here we have amount that has been supplied to the purchaser, and here we have price, and here we have the total amount. Here you can see that this is not a line. To make a line, this what we will do, I will just press on this and go to home and write text, so it is aligned very good. Now to make the formatting a little bit more good, so I will just press this and I will select the file and make it a line like this. So now it is very good. For example, now we are adding dates to 1/2025, and I will just drag the dates, and I will just add purchaser, for example purchaser A, and purchaser B, C, and purchaser D, and purchaser E, and purchaser F, G, and H. Now for example, the amount which is being supplied to each companies, so we will write that amount 20 and 34 and 23 and 56 and 123 and 567 and 126 and 234. And for example, these are the liters of petrol, so I will just write liter, and so 20, 34, 23 are the liters. And to make this formatting a little bit good, so I will just click space, make space, and okay. And for example, this is the price per liter. So for example, on this date we have 256 price per liter, and on this date we have 250, and on this date we have 270, and on this we have 266, and on this date we have 249, and on this date we have 634, or sorry, 244, 440, and 240 again, and 289. Now to find the total amount, what we will do, we will multiply the amount with price per liter, and then okay, so this is the amount. Now drag it, so this is the total amount for each purchaser. And now I will just make a table, so I will just click on this and click borders, and then take outside, and this is done. Now I will just again click on border, and I will just click on all borders, and again I will select the table and then take outside. So this is done. And now to make it more interactive, I will just click on this and this, And to find the total amount, I will just add total amount. So total amount equal to sum of the above amount, which is this one, and this is the total amount. And now to make it good, so I will just draw borders, take outside borders. So then I will just bold the total amount, Control B, and also I will bold the headings, press Control B, and then OK. Now to make the formatting more good, I will just select the table and borders, and I will select the take outside border, and this is OK, and make it center. So now the table is very good. Now color this, click on fill color, and also color this. This color is good. And now the table is very interactive. Now you can add the company name. For example, the company is Shaw Company, SHAH Company, and this is the Shaw Company. So this is the finalized table, and make it bold, and OK. Now the table will look like this. If I press Control P, and so the table will look like this. So thank you for watching this video.